WSAVA, for me, is like the United Nations for small animal veterinarians.
WSAVA is a very important event for the veterinary community because it brings together everybody globally. We have various opinions, we have different solutions, different problems, but it gives us a common ground to base our opinions on in vet medicine.
We strive to work together in a collaborative manner to elevate animal welfare and well-being around the world.
If you're interested in hearing about things you've not heard about before and expanding your horizons in how you take care of the patients you see every day.
You have the warm invitation to come to Warsaw, 13 to 15 October 2026, the Congress of WSAVA, FECAVA, and Polish Small Animal Veterinary Association.
So if you want to experience art or veterinary education, experience friendship, good people, networking, legendary Polish hospitality, you have to simply come to Warsaw.